Welcome back to the channel. This is Country Chevrolet and it is another beautiful day. I have a 2020 Toyota Camry LE, the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, so you get excellent gas mileage. Has an 8-speed automatic transmission. Comes in a beautiful white exterior color. You have cloth black interior. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Sirius XM, Bluetooth, cruise control. This 2020 Camry has 38,297 miles. Still has some factory warranty. You have power locks and windows. Windows are all tinted. This is a beautiful ride. Let me show you this trunk, because Toyota Camrys, even though they are small sedans, are known for their trunk space. Just look at this. So much room back there for such a small sedan. This thing will not last long. Toyotas are very sought after, very reliable, and the way this thing looks, it will not last long on this lot, I promise you that. So my number is down in the description. It's also the website and social media links also be at the end of the video. Call, text me, let's work some numbers, let's make a deal, let's take this thing home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.